dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
The Chief Whip of the Senate, Dume, has revealed that he would support the death penalty for those stealing government money, cautioning that those who steal 1 million or 1 billion should not be killed, but someone who steals 1 trillion of government money should be killed. Hey, my people, it's one matter. Moving on to the next word. Nigerians are in pain because of your policy, Bishop Kukah tells President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. But before we commence fully with this news, welcome back to this wonderful channel as we bring you back-to-back updates and information at the heart. In case it's the first time of joining this wonderful channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and also turn notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the channel latest news happening on social media. To all our missing subscribers, thank you all so much for joining us. So guys, let's dive into the main news. The Chief Whip of the Senate, Dume, has revealed that he would support the death penalty for those stealing government money. He also cautioned that those who steal 1 million or 1 billion should not be killed, but someone who steals 1 trillion of government money should be killed. Dume noted that corruption in Nigeria is people-driven, admitting that politicians steal and share with the people. The Chief Whip stated this when he was featured on Channel TV Politics Today on Tuesday when questioned about the death penalty as the deterrent for those caught with drugs were being fielded. According to Dume, he said that if they compare them, that is politicians, to all the corruption, that it is very small, that their corruption is people-driven, that if they steal, they will go and share it with people. If you don't, there is no coming back for 4 years, that there is no reason for stealing, that he have been to the National Assembly and he can't say because he's on TV now and not telling the truth. So if the death penalty is supposed to be included in corruption, that he will support it, but they should not go and kill someone that stole 1 million or 1 billion. That no, but someone who steals 1 trillion of government money should be killed. He said the death penalty is the best deterrent for those being caught for drugs, that if you do drugs, you are killing people. That means the person have destroyed the lives of so many people and killed so many lives. The Senate passed the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency Act Amendment Bill 2024 bill, which prescribed the death penalty for persons found guilty of trading in hard drugs and narcotics. Many legal icons and CSOs have condemned the bill, noting that it is not the way out to stop drug trafficking in the country, while many clamored for strict border control. Some think that tackling the poverty rate in country will stem the ugly tide of drug trafficking. My people, democracy in Nigeria is stealing from people, by the people, for the people. Now you all can confirm that Nigeria don't finish. Then talking about getting the money and sharing it among themselves, he's speaking the truth. He isn't lying at all. In Nigeria, a lot of people will not vote for you if you don't share money, especially party delegates. That is the truth. My people, but this matter tell me, they even go on live TV to admit to corruption. Hey, this is one of the very few senators in Nigeria that have the nerve to say things this way without mincing words. Honestly, he's actually correct. Nigeria corruption is people-driven. When you are eating from them, you won't come online to complain. Instead, you will keep mute. More finally, one politician don't agree say them they steal money. Dume just said it the way it is. It left for Nigerians to understand what he just said and see the bigger picture. 99.99% of our politicians are what the man just described. Only their opposition they persecute, and if you join party, your sins are forgiven. So now resolution or business continues. That place where in talk say people who steal 1 billion should not have death sentence. This should tell you guys what part of corruption spectrum he falls under. Honestly, stealing na stealing. No small stealing, no big stealing. Corruption now is a way of life in Nigeria. These people no go buy also for this country. A Nigeria politician admitting to be a thief on air. What an amazing country. And you guys expect this one to enact any meaningful laws to move the country forward if there are no consequences for corruption politicians? Politicians will continue to steal without no fear whatsoever. That is the truth. Democracy now is stealing from the people, by the people, and for the people. He's saying he stole, but not too much. So we should consider forgiving him. We are finishing this country. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts. Your contributions, opinions in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Moving on to the next one. The Bishop of Sokoto Catholic Diocese and founder of the Kukah Center, Right Reverend Matthew Kukah had told President Bola Tinubu that Nigerians are experiencing pain and hardship due to certain government policies. He said, why 1 year may not be enough to make judgment about the administration of President Bola Tinubu, noting that it is evident that Nigerians are facing a very difficult situation. Bishop Kukah stated this in an interview with State House correspondent on Wednesday, May 15, shortly after meeting with President Bola Tinubu at the Presidential Villa, Abuja. According to him, he said he's sure that many Nigerians will tell you that 1 year is not enough to make a judgment. However, from where they all stand, they know that they are all in a very difficult situation. Nigerians are in a various level of pain, and there are pain that are underintended, but they are as a result of certain policy decisions that hopefully with time can be amended in order to serve the welfare of ordinary people. So he believed that the essence of government is to guarantee the welfare and security of ordinary citizens, and he believed that the time that we are in are very, very difficult times, and nobody should be under any illusion. But there are also time for renewal. He said all we need to do is to commit ourselves to the fact that building a good security takes a lot of time, and it's not something that is done in one lifetime. And for him, the important thing is for them to continue on building blocks of the things that they think are being done well. His argument has always been that the government needs to very quickly improve the quality of communication so that Nigerians can at least get a sense of how long it is going to be before food is ready. Among my people, assistance now, me and una know say this Nigeria go hard to move forward, because even some of the youth are not ready to see Nigeria growing. They are just with different language. If they can guarantee they are not stealing money, many people will bear it. But we all know that they don't have any good plan other than pursuing white elephant project that won't help the country. So there is nothing that we can brag about this regime other than hardship and more suffering of the masses. Fuel hike, inflation, tariff hike, and less availability of jobs. It's really so sad. There's a lot of things that need to be done. A government is mostly a reflection of its people. If the people need change, it's the people that would make it happen. It can't be like say President Bola Tinubu administration come was past Buhari zone. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Let's keep the conversation live in our comment section. Once again, thank you all so much for staying tuned with us. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe, and also share. Don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. To all our viewers out there, thank you so much for joining us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your winners, stay safe guys. Bye.